Okay, well, I thought I was going to continue the other video, but evidently I messed that up. Ah, anyway, I don't know if I'm going to get much more. Like I said, my energy is kind of wonky right now. He is singing the song, "Over the river and through the woods to grandmother's house we go. Over the river and through the woods." That's not going to help much. But it's over the river, and through the woods. Well, that doesn't help a lot. But go back to my video with the deal about the Washington Monument, because there's a bigger clue in that somewhere that I don't know about, but you guys in that area hopefully can figure out. But you take all those pieces in there, something's going to fit. I just don't know which pieces. Sometimes it's really hard trying to get their clues. Excuse me. I was hoping. It's showing me strange stuff that doesn't really fit. Well, it does, but seeing over the river and through the woods. There's lots of woods evidently in your area. I've never been up there. I keep having my eyes drawn down here to something, but I don't know what it is. Not directing me close enough. Sometimes they'll draw my eyes to a word. Let me see if I can pause this without messing it up. Sorry for all the choppy messages. New computer, the camera works a little different. Didn't know which buttons to push. Pushed the wrong button. End of the last video, sorry. Anyway, I'm not getting a whole lot more. I did get, this is not 100%, between 30 and 40 miles before you turn left on that road that goes back to where he's at. That's a rough estimate. So it's not like it's 100 miles away. I do feel like from the store to the bridge is not that far, but from the bridge to the hill, because they show me the hill way out there, so I'm still getting some of the same first information. It's a lot further from the bridge to that way than it is from the store to the bridge. Anyway, he's also, excuse me, he's singing over the river and through the woods. So there's a river and there's woods. We know that. But he says it was fun while it lasted, talking about his life. It was fun while it lasted. So, is there one of you that watches this video that's having a problem with your throat? One of you that's choking really bad. Maybe smoker's cough. He's showing me that somebody, as you're driving down the road, and it's going to be like your imagination, you won't see him. More than likely, you won't see him. But as you're driving down the road, you're going to see black or red arrows, like just out of the blue. All of a sudden, it'll be like in your imagination, in your mind, kind of. I don't know how to explain it. Just all of a sudden, you're going to see an arrow going to the left. Trust your gut. If you see this in your imagination as you're driving down the road, take a left. He's trying to direct somebody. hot potato, cold, hot potato, cold. We know that. Chains. He's talking about chains. Chains. And he's holding up what looks like a big log chain. Somewhere in this area, there's going to be some kind of a big chain. The image I'm being shown, it may not be the exact image. We're going back to the spiritual charades. I can't help the way they show me how they try to get me to. It's showing like you put two posts in the ground and you run a log chain between it, like maybe across the road to block the road, or maybe around an area, like to kind of mark it off. But he's showing me posts in the ground. First, he's holding up this big chain. It's a big log chain. It's not like a little dog leash chain. And then he showed me these posts in the ground, and this big heavy chain is running through them. But man, you still have to find the right area, or maybe one of you have already been there and seen this. That's going to be in the area somewhere. I see the word chipper, Chipper, and he's not talking about being happy, chipper, happy. Don't know what the word chipper has to do with it. He says he's very humbled. Sorry if the wind's getting crazy here. 70 degrees yesterday, and we're supposed to have a blizzard on Saturday. Woo! Anyway, he says he's very humbled by the experience that is going on right now. And he doesn't want any of you to forget that feeling that you have right now about helping your fellow man in time of need. Don't forget the feeling of love you're having for another person. Some of you may not even know. He says there will be closure. Heads will roll. Justice will be served. Not all of it, but some of it will. And he says he owns his part in the whole thing. He owns his part. You can't blame it all on them. He says crapola. Did he ever say crapola? I don't have an extremely strong connection with him, but I think I've already explained. That's probably me today, but I want to get this done today since I have to work tomorrow. And I know some of you are going to be using your gas and your time. And I hope it helps. I don't want to make this too long. I know I've blah blahed a lot. The information isn't coming through fast enough. My fault. I've never seen one try so hard to help find himself for everybody to have closure. And I'll say again, this is something I would like to do, to give back, to help people. That's what my gifts are for. Cherish those around you. You don't know when they'll be gone. March on, march strong. I'm just going to throw out whatever little words he throws out. Habits, Habits. Now he's talking about a green light. Green light, green light. Green light, go. Green light. Alright, what about the green light? I'm sorry, sometimes that's all they give me. Alright. I'm going to go back to the person with the arrows, and probably more than one of you. Also, if you see a green light, in the middle of nowhere, and you see a green light in your mind, or a red light in your mind, pay attention to it. I feel like once you find this road to turn off the windy road going up the hill, I hate to pinpoint it down to anything certain, but 4 miles, maybe. Seen the name Manitou, but I have seen that word used over and over. That could be coming from me, so don't use that 100%. So back to the Washington Monument. I'm sorry. Anyway, I'm going to end this because I'm going to have you all going in circles if I keep up. Sorry, I'm not more help. He loves you very much. He says he was selfish, but he loves you very much. He says, strike on, whatever that means. Strike on. Kind of like march on. Now he's mentioning a rhino. R-H-I-N-O. Don't know that I've seen anything that would pertain to that. I'm going to stop this before it gets too muddled for all of you. Let me know. And I said, are we going to find you? And he said, soon, very soon. I'm having a windstorm here. Sorry. I'm going to take my chimes down before they break. Much love to y'all. Good luck. Keep me informed. Let me know if you need anything else. I am totally willing to help. See you all later. And I don't have to tell you guys to pay it forward because you're all paying it forward. And to pay it forward doesn't have to cost anything except maybe some of your time, energy. Spread the love, spread the caring. As far as dollars, it's free. So I'm very grateful for all of you giving your free time and your gasoline and your foot time to go do something for somebody else. It's awesome to pay it forward like that, isn't it? See y'all later. Keep me informed. Rhonda Constant, your favorite hometown medium, physical energy healer, and oracle card advisor. Yeah,